Good day. Bill Hubbard, Coldwell Banker in the interior British Columbia. This is your market review for the first quarter of 2025 for Kamloops. Kamloops is actually in a bit of a correction right now. If we have a look at the stats machine here, you look at January, February, March in Kamloops as far as sales go, and right down this little tiny number down here, it was an average of 69 sales for January, February, March of 2025. If you compare to January, February, March of 2024, it shows 83 is the average, so down a bit. But even more so, if you look at October, November, December of 2024, so the quarter previous to this one, of course, 95. So it's quite dramatic, the downturn in sales, even though the absorption is still in that range of balanced market. So we are coming down, but we're still within that 12 to 20% of a balanced market. We had it up over 20% in October. And so what's that is indicating is, like, you ask yourself, well, how can sales be coming down and absorption still remaining relatively strong? And the answer is the inventory, because this figure here, this absorption, is the percentage of inventory. It's a percentage of residential inventory that's on the market that sells in each individual month. So if the inventory is coming down, which is what's going on, if you look at back in March, April, May, June of 2024, you had 514, 607, 687, 700, 708, 709 in August. And then it starts coming down. And so what's happening there is the demand is increasing and the supply is decreasing coming in. However, the sales are coming down. And I think as we go through into the second and third quarter of 2025, you're going to see that to level off or continue to go down. You're not going to see it go up with the spring market in Kamloops. Prices right across the province are remaining relatively constant. There's a lot of realtors that disagree with me on that, but I mean, the stats don't lie. You've got a January, February, March average price, 668, 730, 707. And then you go backwards on that, 677, 732, 730, 705. It's hovering around that $700,000 mark. The biggest change is inventory is coming down and sales are coming down in the Kamloops region. I think you'll see it being either fairly flat or turning down in the next couple of months, even though it's the spring market. Thank you.